Remove old coatings easily with CUTEK Wood Stripper. It's dye-friendly and designed to lift paints, stains and varnishes from timber, brick or metal. Start by testing a small patch to gauge timing and coverage. Always wear gloves, goggles and protect surrounding areas. Apply evenly to dry timber using a brush, roller or lamb's wool applicator. Work it into the grain. Allow 30 to 60 minutes for the stripper to react, keeping the surface wet and active. Re-agitate if needed. When the coating softens, scrape to check if it's lifting cleanly. Power rinse thoroughly to remove all residue. Pro tip: a garden hose won't be effective. Use a pressure washer and clean in long, even strokes following the grain. For thick or layered coatings, a second application may be needed. Wash the surface with CUTEK Restore to neutralize residue and brighten the timber. Finish by protecting your clean, dry timber with CUTEK Wood Oils. For more tips and videos, visit CUTEKWoodsolutions.com.